It's done. The game changer is complete, and it's installed on the mini bike. Check it out. Introducing to the world, by the Brosman, the game changer. Anyway, look what it does. It is a bolt-on. Okay, no welding required. It now allows you to center your weight over the center of the bike, rather than being forced to center your weight all towards the forward of the bike. Okay, now you can stand up on the pegs using your legs. I got 30-inch inseam, so now I got a pair of 30-inch shocks for the rear of my bike. All right, I'm able to stand up. My legs are the shock absorbers, absorbing all that small stuff and even the big stuff, and then hitting big jumps. Okay, I'll be able to land evenly now, taking the weight off the front wheel, make that front wheel float, instead of standing on the front wheel and almost doing a stoppie over the front end, that kind of stuff. Anyway, this is awesome, guys. Here's a view from the top. Okay, this is cool. This is going to make a huge difference.